How do I add text, stickers and overlays to my video in CapCut? Now let's jump straight into the process. After you have selected the video, at the top right corner you can find different options. For adding text, click on this option of text. Now tap on this plus icon, add to track. Now from here you can just edit the time period of the text. In this way you can increase and decrease the time period of the text. Now here type in what you want to add in the text. Here I'm gonna write hi. Now here you can edit this font. You can select the font. I'm gonna select this one. Now you can just increase or decrease the font size by swiping on right and left in this way. Likewise, you can just edit the color of the font. You can edit the style of the font. Under text you can find other options as well, like bubble. Click on bubble. Now you can set your text under this kind of bubbles. You can use this bubble effect. You can click on this option of effects. Now from here you can use different type of text effects in this way. And after you are done with this text, now moving towards stickers, click on this option of stickers. Now here you can get different stickers. Click on the sticker that you want to add to your video in this way. You can just adjust this time period for the stickers as well in this way. You can also increase and decrease the size of the stickers. Now moving towards overlay process, at the top right corner you can find different options. By scrolling down you can find this option of opacity. What you have to do is firstly select the video that you want to put as overlay, that you want to add as overlay. Just drag that video to the upward in this way. After you do that, you have to just decrease the opacity in this way. Also you can find this option of mode. From here you can just select different modes like darken, screen, anything you want, and you can just increase and decrease the opacity, and you can just add overlay. In this way you can easily add stickers, text and overlay to the video in CapCut. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.